Hello, welcome to the next iteration of the exploratory robot. In this iteration, we're going to be improving the video quality of the first-person view camera we built in a previous iteration. If you saw the very short video in the previous iteration, you'll note that it was very, very bad quality and lagged a lot. So for this iteration, we're going to use a system called WFB-NG. That uses the broadcast mode of the Wi-Fi card to send UDP packets and receive them without a connection. That allows it to have better bandwidth and longer range. But not all Wi-Fi cards are compatible with WFB-NG. It needs broadcast mode, it needs a few other things. So this one, unfortunately, is not. But I have this one, which is. This one is a RTL8812AU chipset, which is fully supported by WFB-NG, and OpenHD, which is another system similar, which I think uses WFB-NG under the hood. We also need a compatible device to receive the signal. So I'm going to use this little computer as the base station, and this USB card, which has the same chipset as the other one, the RTL8812AU. So yeah, I just plug this in here. Their website has instructions on how to set up both the what they call the drone and the base station. So setting up the drone side, as they call it, is fairly easy. It's just an image you flash to the card that you're using in the Raspberry Pi, and everything pretty much works. The base station is a little harder. I'm using it. If you use a Raspberry Pi, it's actually just as easy as the drone side, but I'm not. I'm using a Linux computer. So doing that is a little harder. You need to disable the existing device drivers and flash the modified ones, but it's all covered in their setup guide, so it shouldn't be too difficult. So yeah, let's see if this works. All right, so here we go. I have the driver started and everything. I'm going to use GStreamer to stream the thing. So let's see if it works. Oh, there we go. Yeah, look at that. Oh, and we've discovered that it's upside down. All right, let's see if it works. Oh, there we go. Now it's the right side up. All right, that looks good.